Hey guys! So I'm super excited to say that I'm about to head 3 hours north right now to go visit a friend I went through basic training with. We're gonna go to the gym and it's gonna be amazing.
So you say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane, I could be your escape. Take you to a place where there's no
Okay,
time.
she just texted me her address, so let's get going. Guys, I am so excited. You have no idea. I haven't seen her in so long, and this is just going to be a great weekend. We're not going to have a lot of time together, but I don't think that really matters, you know, as long as I get to see her, and I really want to work out with her, and I really am excited for you guys to see her too, because she's a freaking beast. I'll tell you that much. She goes hard and she knows her shit. So make sure you stay tuned. She's just amazing. Alright? There's no one on the road, surprisingly. But I'm sure that'll change because it's Ohio. Look who it is! Your makeup looks good. I gotta show that we're twinning. We're twinning, trying to, kind of. We got the same shirts.
I look so awkward when I drive. Whenever people take a picture of me driving, I'm like hunched over, like, hi. This is why you don't let moisture in your pre-workout. Should I just take the whole thing?
Yeah.
And not use the scoop? Wait, where's my? Okay. Oh my god.
Oh my god. So gross.
Before she even got out of her car, somebody already like pulled over their car to talk to us in front of my house.
Oh, her pre-workout kicked in. Don't slip.
There's like a whole big room over there.
Heck yeah.
Ready to go left.
Yeah. I feel like every video I've done so far has been back video. I should probably do a leg one soon.
My tearing bicep.
I'm holding out a high five here.
Oh. What?
Okay.
Pancakes. We're going to Denny's. Don't do the
until the war is over. We are brothers, not soldiers.
I think I already explained it, but now it's just here. We went through basic training together in tech school in the Air Force, and we didn't even really like talk that much in basic training. But like once tech school hit, we were like, oh, fitness, bam.
No, you know what? I'm pretty sure I remember this. It was after we graduated basic training. We were in Airman's Week, and she was like, it was like my bed, and then there was another bed, and then it was her bed.
Oh yeah.
And I was like, she was like turned to get something out of her locker, and I was like, Pepsi, because that's what we called her.
That's
Because
funny.
it's just, it was easier. So I was like, dude, like, you're jacked. Your arms look great. And I was like, it was like the moment, I was like, wow, she's got some really nice arms. She's like, she must like work out.
I noticed your butt first.
And I was like,
this is like we're confessing our love to each other right now. Like,
I know.
I noticed your butt first.
you work out? Like,
We're pretty much done with our workout. This gym is pretty cool. It's cool to like see different gyms because I always feel like my brain is kind of scattered at first, but then like I get in the zone and like it doesn't matter. But it's cool to see like I'm in a gym in a different state. Like this is cool, guys. We're gonna try and flip this tire also.
so awkward. I don't like staying on.
Oh, you don't know how heavy it is? Yeah, it's probably heavy as
It
fuck.
feels heavy, but maybe I'm just like being awkward about it. Hang on, you try and flip this. I don't know.
Okay. Oh man, my legs.
You see what I'm saying though? It's like awkward.
Yeah, like there's nowhere to grab it. I think someone just threw it down crooked. Yeah, that's really heavy as shit. Yeah, no. Well, that was a good effort.
New game.
Ooh, oh, okay.
What are you doing?
Oh, cramp. Oh, you know what we should do? we should run towards each other with them.
We should.
That would be such a great idea.
Sounds like the best immersion idea.
Because I want to keep my teeth. Oh my god.
Okay, ready? Ready, go. Yeah, that's my boyfriend.
Well, I'm not from here, so back home.
So you don't maybe want to go out?
No, thank you.
Not even for dinner?
No. No.
Yours truly? And not the restaurant in Hudson, which is like 20 minutes?
No, thank you. No, thank you.
Oh, I'm ready for food.
Yeah. Why isn't it We're gonna check out this. What did this used to be?
Walmart.
A Walmart. We're going into an abandoned Walmart.
Probably some homeless people in here.
Probably.
This is where I would go if I was homeless.
Oh my god, yeah.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, she tripping. She don't know she fucking with King Wave. Yeah, I know something only I know. I got superpowers, but that's something only I know. What I want is mine. If I say it in my mind, I'll teach you if I had time. Yeah,
I want to get a motorcycle. Oh my God.
that is not even a milestone. Call up Dr. Seuss, I think they running out of rhymes now. Jugging and finessing, we've heard that 100 times now. Niggas keep repeating, they so like they in a vine, in a vine, in a vine. Oh, why they gotta lie though? Say them diamonds dancing, homie, we know that it's rhinestones. I don't got a Rari, but my whip is really mine now. I don't got no daddies, but I know my bitch is foreign now. I'm from California, you can tell just by my Vans. My niggas about it, you can.
We're making waffles.
Waffles.
My bro play baseball, I hope you know how to catch. I just turned my cue, ooh, they know I'm up next. Curly headed cute, she sent me the text. Yeah, I've been the dude. dude since I made a YouTube. Fuck a million views, need a view. Somewhere floating like I'm Mewtwo. Zoning in California, on a mountain, higher. With my main thing, she keep me grounded. Don't test her, she with the extras. Read all about it, you bout it. I really doubt it, I really doubt it. Zoning in California, on a mountain, higher. I'm with my main thing, she keep me grounded. Don't test her, she with the extras. Read all about it.
Bye. Love you. It's time to go.